Most of us these days have action cameras, and many riders have drones. We leave the cameras rolling and capture hours and hours of video footage. We then meticulously download it onto our computer hard disk, and now's where the real work begins. Unfortunately, many would-be videographers never get any further than this point. The following very short video is my rendition of our Saturday morning ride through the fog. I sincerely hope you like it. My aim with this clip is to give it a very cinematic feel. Please let me know what you think. And now we all head to York to have lunch and see what we've all learnt.
I'm Peter, I'm new to bike riding and I have no idea about the camera, so I come along to see what I want to get.
Lee, I've got a GoPro Hero 3. I've got countless SD cards with hours and hours of footage on them, and I've never edited a single thing. I recorded Bathurst in 82 and I've still not even done anything with that, so it gives you an idea.
I'm Neil, I don't know anything about this at all, so I'm here to learn, and I have trouble with a mobile phone, so...
And riding a motorbike.
And riding a motorbike. We're staying on a motorbike. Yeah.